Good morning, students. Now, today's topic is how we can create a table by using Python in MySQL. First of all, we have to import MySQL connector. For importing, we have to type import mysql.connector. It is just a library or a package which establishes the connection between Python and MySQL. Now my database is equals to mysql.connector.connect. It is a method by which we can connect user and host by using a password to a particular database. Let's suppose we are writing command mydb is equals to mysql.connector.connect. Here host is equals to localhost, user is equals to root, and password is the password which we give at the time of opening MySQL, that is sign, and in which database we want to create a table. So the name of the database is LPS6, means we are going to create a table in LPS6. My cursor is equals to mydb.cursor. It is a function which will create a cursor for database. Then my cursor dot execute create table student. The name of table is student. Whenever we want to separate or write a command in multiple lines, we have to use backslash. Create table student, roll number integer 3, name varcat 20, age integer 10, bracket close. After that, mydb.commit will save the database or save the table into the database. Then print table created. It will create particular table with the name of student. Then we will run the code, click on run, then run module, and it will show table created.